General Secretary ke National People's Party NPP Meghalaya ubak Sñiawbhalang dhar ubadeiru sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela badi pej Ketenat Urban Affairs joko sarkar Jela ula Kynnoh badi ke Voice of the People Party VPP ke bapendan kam da ke bor kumbapau na ke jinglek thambor bat panpaj ya ke yeng Rangba Snong barim ke Narwan hakabiet joko arpusau terik urempang arja arpusan. Kini kejing Kynnoh ubak Sñiawbhalang haka arpusan terik urempang arja arpusan kadai halor kejing pan jing gentok kilat patai kubor bau baar dan mela basayumat ula Kynnoh baka jing duna yok seat ke VPP kumbapau na ke result election MDC sya JHADC kadai namar kadon kejing pendan kam da kabor. Kumban syukurawi bagi nong tap vote ke Sutengah Narwan kila jet penjob yau bak seibor lang syadap ke NPP ubala tam da pras pak sanpo nyo vote yau kertong ke VPP ubak lamsuk lang stang. Nalor kini ubak Sñiawbhalang ulaong baka vote share ke VPP kala Hiar na ke sanlak nyopo hajar tam sya ke laipu nyo hajar ke bapau baka NPP kala nang kiu. Ulaong baka NPP ke job kat lai seat ha JHADC bat kan lam khamat ya ke executive committee bat uburam pat ya ke rayu pat ba haki constituency ke KHADC ki bela penjob kat nyo seat ya ke VPP sau ya ke NPP bat san ya ke UDP.
Balei bagani election MDC nongkonga ngai kublai ke district administration bro artli maka election mi conduct very well kaya ibag MT war kumju pai ba pliru wan board bron kanu ta oi mla iklem da ai kublai kerpang ni jungai ke jantin district kala ai ka support hadu khalang di MDC na ka leng jong jantin region oi yak badai kasih ro we respect the mandate of people mo kila ai hadu south li Kejing hi kabha na marba ringi nu jori haka last election MP ong ba ka VPP kala asarul baro ar kundai sit na kasil handai menta ka yo stang khanyo it's we are improving very much ta ka bedel jain te hills bi kala ngila improve bai more than 50-60% ta ka tai na ngileng juma ai kublai ki pai ba jong in nong jan tag belajar di parti jung gila put be ke faith and confidence on NPP tingi kum ke parti ha be ke jaitil su in persang bantre ba ka bala ha be de ba khasil ro ni ai kublei na mar MP la rem baro akunda rem kubut mental yo adu sabat ka UDP san bagi ni plan R ba ispira long khadar is very much improve as MD go man mar ka last election MP ka VPP ka yo san lak new po molumala Manta kayo stang lalang niya po more or less in the 36 constituency. We are very much improved in terms of vote share. Manta ka ni MBC kayo lalang niya po kay NPP kayo arlak prapo tam is different 85,000. Haka last ka different lalang tam. But we are really improving as a NPP party and as MD partners.
Ka VPP ka Hiar
Hiar laki laka from 5,70,000 to 3,71 is drastically reduced. In just in the span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know. And we are working towards that.
Iyo iba ka VPP ka job hadu prasit na stage Giant Hills. And ba u president rangba jong kani ka party ulak Kynnoh ba kadon kata ka muscle power ba kani ka muscle power kala kata sibun ya ka party VPP handrai wang bada kamdan kani ka muscle power ka VPP kala ban thau ya ka isi hapo Giant Hills pidon ing bana
maka election ni ka muscle power kam dudon kipai ba ki wen ki wan thebot ya ka bod bo borom ni so namani o khala sit mur bu use muscle power la pila ka muscle power lay for a small example give VPP kin ba so yeng yo tu ro ba song badim dengan arwan hatula ile pa de ki kin use muscle power Sibol ki job khanyo sit ha ngin oi ki use muscle power no we respect the mandate why we should blame each other we have to respect the mandate to people hakasil ki job khanyo sit ngin mo use muscle power ngin job khalai ko use muscle power that's wrong and kum gunuk salem nin bro sime to excitement ngran khlami athi aso don bag baga jing tre bha ju district administration like thau public khlami traw ni kon kiti
kai ka expectation jong pina kani ka isi ka ban form da ka VPP
Namar ke expectation de ke juma kari jong pai ba ma kila kular bon ke baro ta tharap ki kular ke de ben la man performing bi la kular to pai ba bastan la kila man kular kala man mel ki la man pen me bo ki kular pai ba la man so simple as that pai ba ki nai ki license na ta sakmat no let them form they have got a solid majority so let them form and they are unable to carry we'll see after few years
Ka NPP kan lali bang dalam mega isi po JHDC. Malang mata ka strength kadang tak no.
Now 18. Now we are 14. 13 is NPP. Yesterday one independent match. We are 14 now, and 3 is the UDP. 17. One is independent. Mamun like parade. So now we are 18.
Do you expect Congress will come to work together in the isi?
Let's see. Let us finish the first phase first.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balei hi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.